Why do you think that the boat dry even if it got drowned into the water? What is the law of science that has helped the boat to remain dry? And what is this science experiment teaching us in our life? In the life of ocean, there can be so many unpredictable waves in the form of challenges that can take us down into the water. Now, how do we handle these situations and challenges and remain unaffected? Maybe this is what is the lesson that this boat is teaching us to take it forward to our life. The law of physics was helping the boat remain dry. And what is that law or the character that we have to cultivate so that we remain unaffected with the adversities of life? And that shield in life can be the shield of emotional balance that can keep us untouched with the severities. Now let us understand three important ways to cultivate emotional balance. Number one, mindfulness and meditation. Number two, emotional awareness. Becoming self-aware about the emotions. What exactly are the triggers that are driving you to take an emotionally imbalanced decision or be in an emotionally imbalanced state? Being aware about that particular things will actually help us manage our emotions in a very good way. Number three is letting go and staying focused. Letting go of whatever the things that are troubling or bothering you, forgiving people or situations that has troubled you, and staying focused on what we really want in our life. Therefore, cultivate emotional balance to remain stable and unaffected even during the times of hardship.